Wait! Buy one, take one, siomai! It was our first time visiting this area along Molino Paliparan Road and first time din namin to try Master Hakao located at Webjet Complex. We went there around 10 a.m. on a Sunday morning and surprisingly, we were the only ones dining in until around 11 or almost 12 noon. Medyo tahimik yung place. Here's a quick look at their menu. I-pause nyo na lang para ma-check nyo. I think as affordable side naman siya. Yung anak ko nag-shark's fin with egg rice for 168 pesos. My husband ordered the fried noodles for only 78 pesos. And he really liked it because he's been craving fried noodles for a long time. He especially liked the sauce that came with it. Originally, we wanted xiaolong bao but it was out of stock so instead we ordered bird's eye dumpling for 198 pesos, hakao for 198 pesos, and kwa pao for 48 pesos which comes with condensed milk dip. I also ordered the solo egg fried rice for 78 pesos and lemon chicken for 188 pesos. I think sulit naman lahat ng in-order namin. Itong siomai nga nila, meaty and huge. Hindi siya yung typical na maliit ha, nakakabusog siya at talagang siksik. In total, we paid 1,044 for everything. We weren't able to finish the lemon chicken and siomai so we asked to have them packed to go. There was a 5 pesos charge for the takeaway packaging, yun lang. Overall, it was our first time trying Master Hakao and it's always nice discovering new food spots in areas we don't usually visit. Yun lang, thanks for watching, bye!